Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a sofa deep clean with me, and oh my gosh, I totally thought that my sofa was clean. So these results are shocking. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today we are deep cleaning the sofa in my living room. I'm also going to do the chair that is in there, and I'm going to do my throw pillows as well, just so that I didn't have to throw them in the washer. I started out by vacuuming all my sofa and my chair as well, and then we are just going to use this Bissell handheld cleaner to do this. It's an inexpensive way. This machine isn't that expensive, and it's an inexpensive way to be able to clean your sofas or spots in your rugs and just like spot treat, especially if you have kids. I find this to be the most effective and the easiest way to do this, and I feel like it gets you the best results. So if you like sofa cleaning videos, don't forget to give this one a thumbs up. Don't forget to stay till the end because you're going to want to see what the water looked like when I was finished.
Got a restless mind, and now I won't let go. So let us be crazy before we get cold. You can take us out, your doubts won't hold us down, 'cause we're gonna light up the sky where we go.
If you guys are new around here, I'm Brittany. I share a lot of motherhood lifestyle content geared mainly around cleaning, decluttering, and organizing on my channel. I would absolutely love to have you as a part of my YouTube family, so don't forget to hit that red subscribe button so you don't miss any of our content. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so that I know that you like deep cleaning motivation. I totally thought that my sofa was clean. I mean, we don't really eat on it. The kids, they honestly play in their playroom most of the time, and they don't even sit on this sofa like a whole lot. So when I was finished with this, I just could not believe how the water turned out. I also had some stains on my throw pillows, and this system also got those stains out as well. It was a super easy, fast way for me to be able to do that versus throwing them in the washer and risking that they were gonna get ruined. So definitely recommend it for that as well. But you're gonna wanna give your sofa a really good vacuum, like in between the cushions. If your cushions come off, you're gonna wanna take them off and vacuum underneath. That's what I did. I would take these cushions off and do them separately if they came apart. However, our system is totally together. In our sofa, we can't take our cushions off, so that is why I am doing it like this. But it's literally just the Bissell cleaner mix that you use and water, and it ends up smelling really good. It obviously gets it totally clean. Again, you're gonna see those results at the end. So I did this sofa, I did our chair, and then like I said, I'm gonna show you guys when I do our throw pillows.
So keep me in your sight, 'cause I can do this all night. You can call it what you want, I got something else in mind. Oh, if it's you I've been waiting for, I better make you worth my time. So don't you pay them any mind, close your eyes, follow the sound. Keep it coming through the night.
I think the biggest tip that I would have for this process is if you have kids or a family who loves to sit in your living room, I would highly suggest doing this at night, or like if your kids go to school and they're going to be gone for a few hours, doing it like first thing in the morning, because it does take a few hours for this sofa to dry. And I put my throw pillows and my blanket back on at the end of this video, and the next day the spot that I sit in was still a little wet, so I had to put a towel down. So that's probably my biggest tip, if you live in a place where it is warm, I would open your windows just so that it dries even faster. But I really truly think that this was definitely the most effective way to clean the sofa. This video is a part of my spring cleaning series. I have been going around and tackling places in my house that I don't do very often. I'm sure there are tons of people who do this to their sofa more than a couple of times a year, and kudos to you, because my back was killing me by the time I was done doing this, just leaning over. So kudos to you if you clean it more than like 2 to 3 times a year. I do see how the water turned out, so maybe I'll do it more often. But it is nice to just go through and do that like deep cleaning in the spring and deep cleaning in the fall. That is what I truly love to do. So I will create a playlist and have all of my spring cleaning videos for you guys. I'll leave a link to the playlist in the description box below. But let me know if there is something that you've been putting off that you need to deep clean. Leave that down in the comment section below so I can see and that I can cheer you on. Is watching videos like this just super satisfying to anyone else? Just like seeing the dirty water and seeing the stains there and then be gone, and seeing the lines in the sofa from vacuums and from the cleaning products. I don't know. It just gives me that satisfaction. So leave a comment down below and let me know if you are the same way.
I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside.
So this is the chair that we have in our living room that matches our sofa set. And as you saw, there was a stain on there from the boys. I actually think it was yogurt. This got it up no problem. But I'm really excited to show you guys my pillows because I had some pen stains on there and just some other stains. The kids will like finish eating, and if I'm not paying attention, sometimes in the past they have like ran over to the sofa and jumped on the sofa, and they have stuff all over their hands. So having anything with white in it, not the best when you have children, but it is the chance you take. We have a white and like grayish black rug in our dining room. So if you're from my channel for a while, you know the sofa that, or the rug that I'm talking about. And this past week, my son spilled his entire plate of spaghetti on it. And my husband spent 2 hours using this Bissell machine, used other cleaning products that we have, and no matter what we do, we cannot get the stain to totally come up. So if you have any tips for spaghetti sauce in a white rug, please comment down below and let me know, because we absolutely cannot get it out. It came up, it is definitely really faded, but you can still see it. It's in a few different spots. So let me know down below if you have a solution for that.
Just watch me breaking. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. To be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't Won't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like.
Alright, you guys, we are coming to the end of this video. I'm just gonna get my sofa put back together, but how satisfying do those lines look in the sofa? Didn't last very long until my family sat down again, but it looked so good and I absolutely loved it. But here you guys go. Here is the shocking water. You guys, that is brown, like not even cloudy. That is so disgusting. I totally thought that my sofa was clean, and as you can see, it was not. So go deep clean something today. Let me know down below what you do so that I can cheer you on. Again, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that red subscribe button so you don't miss any of our content. And we will see you guys in our next video. Bye.
Don't you know that you're beautiful?